Hi everybody, it's 10:17 and 10 seconds on October 30th. This is the main drawing for the Avenging Spider-Man number 9. Over here are the 14 filled spots. Tony, you got the last 2 open spots from your second place mini finish. Those are spots 10 and 12. Ken, you got the first 4 that were open at the time, which are 2, 4, 5, and 7. So there are the 14 filled spots. Let's roll the 3 dice. Number is 10. Going to randomize 10 times. Name at the top of the list. We'll get the slab. It will ship out tomorrow, October 31st. Okay, best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here comes the final one. 10. Spot 1, Steve Saint Laurent. Congratulations. Steve, since you are an international participant, I need to calculate the shipping cost to you, and you would need to pay that. So time is 10:18 and 6.